So I just got these breadboards and just playing around with them, trying to make circuits. Just some simple circuits like LEDs and stuff. Just made some jumper wires. I guess they're not the best because the way the wires kind of fray out, make it hard to put in. So probably going to have to get some of those things that like clip in properly, like plugs that go on the end, or just complete wires. And but yeah, so what I figured out is down here is the positive and negative. That's pretty obvious, and these are all connected. So I got the battery power supply hooked up to the positive and negative, and then on this part here the rows seem to be connected. I don't know if they'll be connected like from this side to that side. They're probably not connected, so if you do put parts over there, you'll have to run a jumper wire to connect it. But so what I do here is got the LED, the longer leg is the positive and the shorter one is the negative, so I just chuck that in like that. And you're supposed to have an LED, sorry, you're supposed to have a resistor apparently for like LEDs, otherwise they can, you know, but I've just been doing it like this. Well, I'll just do it like this for now, and then I'll put a resistor in. So I put this jumper wire on the same row here as the positive. Like I said, these wires are kind of annoying. Gonna have to get proper plugs. Have to twist them up all the time. So put that on there. And then I can run this back to the positive row or column down here. Same as the positive power. And then a jumper cable from the negative row. Seems like a good way to play around with it, with these breadboards, and test things out and kind of get an idea of how the circuits work. When I first did it, I kind of just figured it out by testing it with a multimeter and figuring out that where the voltage was kind of ending. So there it is without, you can't really see the light, can you, on the camera? There it is without a resistor. Now I'll put a resistor in somewhere. Just whatever, not really sure. Let's try take that out. Let's see if we can just put a resistor from the negative to the negative part on the power part. So we're on the same row there as that. That doesn't work. Put that there. Put Okay, it's not working. Try it on the positive side. And do a negative. Well, there we go. See, that's working with the... Is it? Oh, but what about without this wire? No. So that was at full brightness again. What the hell? Let's try another resistor, eh? Oh, there we go. It's working with that resistor. I don't know if you can see it, it's not very bright, but it's hard to see, but I'll take it. See, here we go. Kind of temperamental, but very temperamental. Let's try to put another LED in. Green one might light up better. So the positive, put it here somewhere. Positive and negative, and you can see it doesn't light up as much too with the resistor. I'm not sure the value of that resistor, but actually I should put it closer so I can just run a resistor straight to it. The other one I made last night, I just put the LEDs like so they'll be on the same column, kinda. I think column or row, like so the positive will be there and the negative will be there, and that worked. I thought that would be called parallel, but someone I was just watching on their video, they did it like this and called it parallel. So quite good just to like play around with this though and figure out how it all works. Definitely got to get some of those plugs though, the wires. Seems in there pretty well. Not sure if that's in there well or not. Where did that resistor go? Let's try a 20k resistor. There is a way to calculate what resistor you need, but yeah. Put that on the same row as that. Well, I just knocked the battery cable out. Negative. Oh yeah, that you probably can't see it, but that green one actually lit up. Oh, it's lit on camera. That green one actually lit up, but it's very weak because it's got a 20k ohm resistor. So we'll take that out. You'll be able to set that off probably. There we go. Let's pull it. Do another wire. This wire might be a bit thick. Let's see how much it lights up with just a wire, no resistor. Nope, it's too thick. What have we got here? This wire, maybe, or right. Wire knock something out there. The other LED's gone off. That one just lit up, didn't it? But there we go. I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't see it. I've noticed I can run let me run a negative to this side too. It's just getting hard now, these wires kind of temperamental without proper plugs. No. Oh, did I just see that? So you can't hold it in properly. But yeah, that'll do for now. Thanks for watching.